Hello viewers. Welcome to a new tour guide. Today we will know about how to get around by taxi and rental car in Ho Chi Minh City, the biggest city in Vietnam. This is the third episode. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you want, you can comment on your opinion about this video. So let's go. How to get around by taxi and rental car in Ho Chi Minh City. Taxis are the most comfortable way of getting around. They are very modest in price compared to other major cities globally. Rates fluctuate over time depending on the cost of fuel. Expect to pay approximately 15,000 to 20,000 dong per kilometer. Taxis are numerous, and it's usually not hard to flag one down anywhere in the city center from early morning until about 0100, though finding one in the rain or during workday rush hours can be difficult. The city government does not regulate taxi rates, so each company sets its fare structure, which changes from time to time. You cannot choose a taxi at random and expect a standard fare. It is a caveat emptor market with a fringe of opportunistic drivers to overcharge foreigners. Fortunately, the market is relatively competitive and reasonably honest. Companies with similar rates operate 80% of taxis. The demand for these companies is more than 90% local, so their policies are designed to win the trust of HCMC residents. The only taxi companies you should use are Minh and Vietnamese, as the risk of getting ripped off is much higher than the other companies. Dishonest taxi drivers may start driving without starting their meters, then demand a high fare or try to negotiate for a fixed price at a location where it's difficult for you to hire another cab. Therefore, make sure your taxi driver agrees to use the meter and turns it on before entering. As mentioned above, some taxi companies such as Minh and Vietnamese have meters that start automatically once the vehicle starts moving. Also, beware of fixed meters. Drivers generally speak and do not speak any foreign languages, so it's wise to write the name and address of your destination, preferably in Vietnamese, to show the taxi driver. Your hotel staff can assist. Pointing the goal on a map application on your phone also works well. It helps to carry one of your hotel's business cards so you can return to the hotel without too much fuss. Carry small change and notes for paying fares since drivers are often short of change. Taxis are mostly Toyota Vios sedans or up to 4 passengers and Toyota Innova minivans or up to 6 passengers assembled in Vietnam and inexpensive to buy. Fares are almost always the same regardless of car model, although anything more significant than an Innova generally costs more. Some older cars might lack working air conditioners. Taxi drivers are likely to drive too fast when given a chance. Ho Chi Minh City has a unique traffic pattern in which cars and buses operate in the center lanes on two-way streets or the left highways on one-way streets. In contrast, the outside or right roads are reserved for motorcycles. During weekday rush hours, the car lanes often barely move for blocks on end, while the motorcycle lanes move a bit faster. Taxi drivers vary in their tendency to squeeze into the motorcycle lane and jump ahead of other cars. In theory, they can be fined for doing so. Rush-to-hour traffic in the city has become so bad that you might consider planning not to go anywhere between 0700 to 0830 and 1630 to 1800. A taxi booking app may also prove less hassle and avoid being overcharged. Regional operator Grab Taxi has a free app to download. For trips outside of the city or for the convenience of having a private vehicle for the day, hiring a car with a driver for the day is a good option. Many taxi companies such as Minh and Vietnamese offer these services. How to get around by boat in Ho Chi Minh City. By waterbus in Ho Chi Minh City. Saigon Waterbus operates a service on the Saigon River from District 1 into Tu Duc District north of the city. It is geared more towards local commuters than tourists. Still, one of its stops is located near the Hotel Majestic, making it easily accessible from the Opera House and other downtown attractions. By speedboat in Ho Chi Minh City. Getting to Vung Tau by hydrofoil is an excellent way to see the commercial maritime areas as the boat speeds down the Saigon River to the sea. The cost is 200,000 dongs for adults and 120,000 dongs for children. Duration, 80 minutes. Departs from Bac Pier in Saigon, District 1, not far from the Majestic Hotel. Arrives in C. Youth Port, Ben Cao Da, Halong Street, Vân Tao. 3 lines are running this route with the same ticket price of $10 one way. If you are planning to visit Vân Tao, consult a Vietnamese calendar. Tickets often sell out over the holidays. This is all about this episode. Thank you for watching this video entirely. You can watch our other tour guides if you want, then please visit our channel. If you liked this video, I will repeat it. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.